In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for DeepSeek AI and create your own free DeepSeek account. Getting started with DeepSeek AI is quite simple, and after these few steps, you'll be ready to explore all the amazing features it has to offer. So let's dive right in and go through this process together. First off, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head to a search engine like Google. In the search bar, type in DeepSeek Sign Up and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results, and you'll want to click on the link that takes you directly to the DeepSeek sign up page. This is where you'll officially begin your journey with DeepSeek AI. Once you're on the DeepSeek sign up page, look for the sign up button and give it a click. This is the gateway to creating your new account and accessing DeepSeek's wide range of tools and functionalities. Clicking this button will take you to the registration form where you'll need to provide a few details to get started. Now, the first piece of information you need to enter is your email address. Make sure you use a valid email that you have access to, as you'll need it to verify your account later in the process. Type your email into the designated field and double check to ensure it's entered correctly before proceeding. Next, you'll be asked to create a password for your DeepSeek account. Choose a strong and secure password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure your account remains safe from any potential threats. Type your password carefully and keep it somewhere safe for future reference. After entering your password, you will need to confirm it by typing it again into the designated field. This step is crucial to ensure there are no typos in your password. Double check that both entries match perfectly, or else you won't be able to move on to the next step. With your password set, you'll see an option to send code. Clicking this will send a verification code to the email address you provided earlier. Navigate to your email inbox and keep an eye out for an email from DeepSeek. This sometimes takes a couple of minutes, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Before you wrap up the sign-up process, be sure to prove you're not a robot by checking the CAPTCHA box. This essential security step protects the platform from bots and ensures that you're indeed a human user. And that's all there is to it. With these steps completed, you'll now be able to log into your new DeepSeek account and discover all that this powerful AI tool has to offer. Happy exploring and enjoy your DeepSeek journey.